Hello friends, in this video we will talk about the suit of cups. We will talk about what do we mean by the suit of cups, and we will also look at the 14 cards which are there in the suit of cups. So our first question is, what is suit of cups? See, the suit of cups are 14 special cards in tarot which have the imagery of cups in them. So all the card in tarot have some imagery in them, and in the cards which are there in the 14 cards which are there in the suit of cups, you will have some imagery which there are cups, and you have to meditate on that imagery. You have to introspect on that imagery and try to connect that imagery with the present social circumstances and with the person for which you are giving the reading in order to decode it. So, if you want to decode any card in tarot or be the card of the suit of cups, you have to spend some time on meditating it and trying to just understand what is the imagery, what the message that imagery is trying to deliver to you. Like the card in front of you is the nine of cups. So what is there in this imagery? You are seeing a very healthy person is sitting in the front, and there are cups in the background. So it represents achievements. It represents like the person, a very scholar or very healthy person, an intellectual person is sitting in the front and showcasing his achievements at the back. It also represents a shopkeeper. It also represents like a good times. So like this you have to decode that imagery and connect that imagery with the person. So the element represented by the suit of cups is water. As water, we know water is a very emotional element. It represents emotions, it represents feelings. So to hold water you need a vessel, and that vessel is the cups. So that's why the element represented by cups is water, and it shows that the person is very emotional. He it also represents relationships. It also represents like the person is very sensitive to others, and it also represents the direction west. And uh, when you get the suit of cups or a card from suit of cups in reading, it represents like the person wants some emotional fulfillment, or the question or the query is related to emotional emotions, feelings, or relationships. So the suit of cards is the representative card for relationships and emotions. Now we will look at all the 14 cards in the suit of cups. So our first card is the King of Cups. What it represents it like that person is a very respectable person in the society. It represents a very high position where where you get the all the respect from others, like a CEO in a company. Like the CEO gets all the respect, all the fame. So it represents a person who has achieved something in life, who has achieved something in his life and is now is was getting praise from others. And on the negative side, it represents a very egoistic person, a person who has a very inflated ego. Our next card is Queen of Cups. It represents the ability to research things, to introspect, a very uh, researchful mind, a very intuitive mind. It also represents pregnancy. It also represents achievements in life, or achievements in life after some struggle, or after a very thoughtful person. And on the negative side, it represents a person who doesn't value others, or who doesn't value the gifts that life has given to them. Now our next card is Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups represents a messenger. It represents like prosperity is now coming to your life. It represents that you are going to get some achievements, some rewards or awards are going to come in your life. The next card is the Page of Cups. It represents a person who is a very showy person. He loves to show off things. And in the negative side, it can mean a very hedonistic personality. It represents like a very person who is a very spend thrift, who loves to spend on food, wine, and clothes. Next, we have the Ace of Cups. See, Ace of Cups represents achievements. It represents abilities, capability that the person is a very able person. He has a lot of capabilities, but it also represents like sudden surge of emotion, sudden joy, like the person is having mood swings. Sometimes he is either too happy and sometimes is too sad. And this card is a very auspicious card in tarot. Now the next card is Two of Cups. Two of Cups represents healing. If like someone is facing is deceased and is undergoing treatment, and you get the card Two of Cups, it means that eventually you will get healed and the problem will get cured. It also represents a very good relationships. It also represents that now your relationship will turn into marriage. Next is Three of Cups. Three of Cups represents celebration, it represents party time, it represents achievements, it represents that now, after all the struggle, you have achieved your goals and now is the time to enjoy. And on the negative side, it represents like a person who is just into enjoying the gifts of life or partying with friends and is not taking care of the other things in life. The next card is Four of Cups. Four of Cups, it represents entrepreneurship also. It represents like you suddenly get some innovative thought. You get some innovative thought and you get the idea like how to solve a particular problem. Like Einstein was sitting in a or sorry Newton was sitting under an apple tree and suddenly that apple fell and he got an idea like why this apple fell, and then he worked on gravity. So it represents some innovative changes in life, but it also represents a very sadistic person. The next card is the Five of Cups. It represents defeat. It represents like whatever you have achieved or gathered in life is now ruined. It also represents alcoholism, and it also represents a very sad or a very traumatic experience. Now we have the Six of Cups. It represents charity. It represents sharing your wealth or the your gifts with others, and it also represents friendship. It represents developing relationships. Now the Seven of Cups, it represents like you are confused to choose which things in life, or you are getting a lot of gifts in life, or it also represents achievements, like you have achieved a lot in life, or you are going to achieve a lot of things in life. And it also represents getting lost in your own illusions. It represents this card is the representative card for illusions, getting lost in the illusions of life. Eight of Eight of Cups, it represents like adventurism. Like many people give up their job and become a digital nomad, or they go on traveling, so it represents travel or leaving your achievements behind and going on a different path. Nine of Cups, as we told earlier, it represents achievements, success, and on the negative side, it represents a very inflated ego. Now we have the Ten of Cups. It is a very positive card in tarot. It is a very auspicious card. It represents achievements, prosperity in life. It represents a happy family. It represents that the bad days are over and now the wheel of fortune will turn in your favor. So thank you. Do like this video and do mention in the comments your own experience with the suit of cups. Thank you.